Hi, it is said that children are our future, and what opportunities they receive, plus the choices they make, shape up their future. At Inspirely Education, we offer well-crafted, premier after-school STEAM education classes, camps, and events for children ages 6 to 13 years. STEAM stands for science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. Children get opportunities to develop hands-on skills through programs like Young Engineers, robotics, and typing. They also develop digital skills through classes such as computing basics and internet safety, coding, 3D animations, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and much more. We also host children and family-friendly events that are fun, educational, and entertaining. If you have a child between the ages of 6 and 13 years, please visit us at inspirely.education and book a free trial class. Hurry, we only have a few spots left.